What's going on, Amazon? I am here shouting out this incredible digital camera that I just got my wife in the mail over the holiday season. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to do a little quick deep dive into the specific product, show you exactly what you get when it comes delivered to you. So as you can tell, you got a nice little user manual. My wife's already pillaged some of this, but I figured I would do a little bit of a review, show you guys exactly what this camera comes with, just so you can see you've got a nice little kit over here. And this is really what this camera is all about. Now, y'all, there's been a overall massive hype around these digital cameras. And y'all, this is a really great product. So if you guys are on the fence about this, seriously, don't be. Add it to your cart, give it a try. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got a USB-C to USB cable, which is gonna be helpful. You've also got some, let's see what's in this little box. I'm waiting for the grand reveal. Oh, okay, this is your battery right here, or this might be an extra battery because I think my wife is already playing with this. So here's a battery, probably an extra. You've got a little microfiber to where you can clean the lens, but then most importantly, this right here is the digital camera. So as you can tell, you got 4K HD, you've got a flip up camera, which is awesome. And then what's really great about it is when you turn this camera on, which is, I would assume right here. Oh yeah, there's a great little power button. Great, so there's a nice little power button right here on the top. As you can see, you press that down and then it's going to turn on, which you've got a nice little large welcome screen. And then what happens is then you're able to see everything. So as you can tell right here, it flips to where I can see everything that's going on. So then I can flip it back down and then it shows me. So you guys can see it here. Here I am. This is the whole display, everything that's going on. You've got the time. You've got all of that information right there. It's a little bit obviously lagged because I'm doing it within the display, but then you can zoom in as well. You can zoom out. Oh yeah, this is a really great camera. And then obviously you can take a picture. There you go. Wow, I just took a picture. And then you can do, you can turn your display on and off. And then obviously you've got media. I'm gonna see if I can show this picture just so you guys can see. So there you go. There's the picture that I just took, and all I did to do that was access it through these buttons. So you just go like this, and then you're able to choose between photo and video, and then here I am right here. Hello, hi, I'm right here. So overall, this is a great camera. I definitely recommend adding this to your cart if you guys are looking for a digitalized option. Now also, it's got a whole lot of different like settings and stuff in here that you can access, so you can turn beauty on. Amazing, we love that, honestly. You can change like your exposure, your metering, your image quality. You can change your sharpness. Now, some of this stuff you can do as like auto, so ISO, different things like that. White balance, you don't need to worry about that as much. And then there's also like Wi-Fi enabling stuff. You're able to do like auto power. So that's really cool. And then you've got always the ability to set your time and all that sort of stuff, device information and all that. This is great. And then you've also on the top, you guys can see there's a ton of different options of different settings that you can do. So that's really fun as well. So yeah, that's great. This is awesome. This is a really great camera. My wife is looking for, you know, something that she can use, and I think this will work great. So overall, I definitely think this is a really fun camera if you're looking for point and shoot abilities. Now, on this side, this is where you have your, I believe this is your micro SD right here. Let me try to pop this off really quick. I think that this one only takes micro SD, so keep that in mind. It's gonna need a small boy. Okay, well, it's not letting me pop it out. Maybe my fingernails aren't as good as they, oh, here we go. Yep. So you've got this micro SD, which I will take out. So again, this is what you use to record. So we got a 32 gigabyte micro SD, so it's not gonna be you know, the big massive one, but it goes right in here, which is also where you have your USB-C connection. So overall, this really seems like an awesome camera. The one thing that my wife is really wanting me to try to figure out is how to turn off the clicking noises with every button. So I need to look into that to see if that is something that you can do. I was just poking around to see if there's anything. I don't really see anything with that. So there is like a startup music that you can turn off, but I don't see the ability to turn off the button pressing. But then it says goodbye. Oh, you missed it, and then you are good to go. So overall, I highly recommend this product. This is super fun. Give it a shot. I don't think you'd be disappointed about it. And then obviously, you know, you want to keep it safe, so you just put that little microfiber sort of protector over the camera lens, and then you could just throw it right back into the bag. So overall, definitely love this product. My wife's gonna be using it a lot. She's excited to take some digital photos and just start doing that whole process. Sometimes she wants to be a little bit more back to the original versus doing the classic iPhone stuff, shooting all the time. So overall, definitely recommend adding it to your cart, guys. This is a really great product. It works really great for what my wife's trying to do. And yeah, overall, I hope that video was helpful for you guys, just to show you exactly what it comes with, how it works. Definitely think this is a great product overall. And then when you're done, you just throw it all in this bag and you are good to go. So anyways, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping. Add it to your cart. This is a really, really, really cute digital camera. I love it. All right, see you guys on the next one. Bye.